Some people have a thing about cats.
Now quickly, the second heart. Get away, cat.
Get away from there, you damn cat. Come on. Oh.
Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty.
Come on,
Here,
kitty.
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 Here,
Come
kitty.
on, kitty. Oh.
Here, kitty, kitty.
Kitty, come here.
Here, kitty.
Come on. Give me that. Give me
Here,
that.
kitty. Kitty. Here, kitty. Here, kitty. Come on, kitty. Here, kitty. Kitty.
Come on, come on. Oh, God dang.
Here, kitty.
Whoa.
Here, kitty, kitty.
Three people, Salil?
What do you think you're doing here?
Oh, your door was unlocked?
Yeah, I know.
There's no one out here but this cute, fuzzy... Oh.
Hey, that's my cat.
That you, Wendy? Where did you come from? Looking for a home? Come here.
Bastards! Be careful. I feel an evil presence is around. The real thing? I don't know. What in God's name is that? Jugakubo. He ate it. Jugakubo, it's been a long time.
So he's the one that spawned that evil spirit.
That was a tasty treat.
Okay. I hear you, Purvis. Time to eat. Red can again. Okay, you got it. Oh, shit. I'm in trouble. Okay, I hear you. Didn't I have a cat that was colorblind? We'll try the blue. Hey, wheat, Purvis, I found one. I can eat it myself. This is something else, Purvis. Red label. Good, huh? Better eat it all, because if you don't, I will. Yeah, Malone.
Robert, you can get your tail here in the office. Need to speak to you.
Okay. What is it this time?
Shut the door and come in.
I hope this is important. I left my cat at home, and he's alone.
Very good grown-up cat. Right, Herman? We don't have mother and dad anymore, but we're gonna be very brave. And we will not cry, no matter how much we miss them. Who is it? What?
Susan.
Oh, no. Oh, no, please, I do not hear anything. No.
Susan.
Stop. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Alice, soprano who's tired of singing solos, seeking a tenor who'd like to perform songs of violent love with her. I'm sure she would prefer someone deeper than a tenor. It's a little too shrill, Reginald.
Hey, kitty! You hungry? I'll go see if we have some caviar in the refrigerator. Sorry, fresh out of caviar. You'll just have to settle for milk. No milk? Hey, don't tell me you're a champagne freak.
Nothing seems to happen here unless you eat or drink something. Maybe if I... Oh!
Do you know what those pills are?
But they're that white rabbits that just went down...
Well, do you know who he is?
I guess not. Can you tell me, please, which way should I go?
That depends on where you want to go.
It doesn't matter. I don't even know where I am. But I do have to get someplace.
If you just want to get someplace, just keep going. That way lives a hatter, and that way lives a March hare. Visit either one you like. They're both mad.
Oh!
Oh, not you, Bernice. No, I don't think so. Oh, that could be. That could be. Oh, wait a minute. I think my cat's into something. I'll call you back, okay? Bye. Fluffy, where are you? Fluffy? Are you in the basement? Fluffy, you know you're not supposed to be in the basement. Fluffy?
So the cats have been here all the time, huh? I guess that's why I've been sneezing so much.
I didn't know you had a cat.
Oh, yes, yes. Sit down. He's perfectly all right. He won't bite you.
I'm not so sure.
As a matter of fact, you ought to be grateful to Sugar. If it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't be interested in publishing your book.
Then you are going to publish it?
Oh, wait a minute. Just a moment. I said interested. As a matter of fact, I'm not convinced that the public is ready for the story yet.
You said that about my book on flying saucers. Now everyone believes it. And my theory regarding the pyramids.
Do you believe this sort of thing?
I believe everything I write. Everything.
Let us suppose, just for a moment, that what you say is right. How are you going to convince the people that what you're writing about is true?
I had access to the police statements and the doctor's report on the bodies. Believe me, I do know what happened. I know.
Claude, my friend, how good not to see you again.
Count Dracula, you old bloodhound. You remember the little woman?
Ah, Maggot, my dear, you look radiant. The shroud was made for you.
Oh, go on. I swear you could charm the bats right out of the caves.
And this is our son, Ghoul.
Ghoul, I would like you to meet my son, Boobular.
Hey, kid, you want to fight? Why not? There's nothing else to do in this creepy place.
Well, it is so heartwarming to see children and their pets at play.
I'm sorry, but you'll have to keep your children in line. We can't have such disturbances in the lobby of the Transylvania Astoria. But the children and their pets are just getting acquainted. And that's another thing. No pets allowed. But perhaps we can make an exception in this case.
I'm sorry, baby. Oh, I'm sorry. Lay down. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Lay down. Here we go.
Do you ever fantasize about being killed?
Never.
Do you ever wonder about all the different ways of dying? You know, violently?
Jesus. Are you hungry? Want something to eat? Come on, let's go. Oh.
Attack. Please, Miss Bullock, you've got to help me. You're the only friend I have here.
Again? My dear girl, it's really not the proper way, you know.
Cut them now.
Get away from this house. Run, child. Hurry. Please hurry.
Mrs. Watt?
Hello?
Now she got me really worried.
Animal regulation officials in Sacramento today confirmed scattered reports of attacks by domestic dogs on human beings and livestock in several parts of California. Officials say it is possible that some human lives have been lost in communities as far separated as Petaluma in the north and Chula Vista in the south. As yet, the number of casualties has not been reported, but state investigators are being dispatched to several locations. Pet owners are advised to take no action until more information is available. Officials say that as far as can be determined, only dogs are now being affected. Stay tuned to this station for further developments.